Hi guys, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. I am so excited because today I received my HOLO taco order. So our regular programming has been hijacked by HOLO Taco, but that's okay because it's the Holodays. Now, I ordered this on the 12th of December and I just received it on the 17th. And keep in mind, there is a weekend in between there, so it only took about 2 to 3 business days. And it did say on their website, due to high volumes, that they are trying their best to get their orders out. And honestly, I didn't even think I'd get it in time for Christmas. So for it to get to me in like 2 days was absolutely amazing. The packaging is so beautiful. The HOLO on the lettering, like I just can't stop staring at it. I'm gonna want to keep these boxes. My husband is gonna kill me because he's a neat freak and everything goes in the garbage, but I'm gonna have to hide these because I'm not gonna want to throw those boxes out. And just look at the shine. Look at the shine on that. We're gonna lay that down so we can see how beautiful they are. Move that over. So the first one was the one coat black, and then now we are pulling out Midnight Spark, I think it is. Yep, Midnight Spark. But we're not going to open that yet. We're going to open that one last. We'll save the best for last. And I was in the market for a new peel-off base coat, so it was absolutely perfect timing for her to come out with peely base. So I am so excited to try this one. No nails were damaged in the opening of these products, I want to say. Oh, I just love the packaging. I love these bottles. We're just gonna stare at this HOLO. My camera didn't even know what to do here. It didn't know where to focus. It was like, what's going on? Look at all that rainbow shine. Like it's so gorgeous, guys. Seriously, you need to see it in person. She did a wonderful job on the packaging of these. And last, here we had to get a Glossy Taco, of course. We absolutely had to get this. Now, she also has a super glossy taco. It said it was unavailable. I'm not sure if it's sold out or if she just hasn't come out with it yet. But once it says it is available, I will definitely be ordering that one as well. And again, we're going to just have a look at this beautiful HOLO lettering. It's so gorgeous. They are all your standard 12 milliliter bottles. And if my memory serves me correctly, the base, top coat, and one coat black were $11. This is in Canadian. And then the HOLO glitter here, the Midnight Spark, was $13. So pretty good pricing if you ask me. And oh my God, look at that shine. But I was so upset. Something happened with the A there. It must have happened in the packaging. It got all scratched off and I was pretty upset. But then, you know, life got better once I opened it. We all forgot about that A. That A doesn't matter anymore. Look at this polish. Oh my gosh. It is so gorgeous. Here is one last look at all 4 of these beautiful bottles before we dig into them. I cannot wait to show you guys and give my review. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So of course we are going to start off with our peely base coat. We're coming in. Oh yeah, no, first I wanted to show you this. This is a vegan and cruelty-free polish. So to some, this is very important. it is to me. And so, of course, I just wanted to point that out. So first we are coming in with the pinky. This base coat does have a very thin viscosity. However, it does give great coverage, and Christine does mention that you do only need one coat of it. So we're gonna follow her advice and just go in with one coat. And then I'll probably do another review later of me popping these babies off. I also noticed that these polishes do not have a strong smell to them at all. Lately, since I came back from gel to doing regular polish. You all know that regular polish has quite a stronger smell than gel. And I did find that this polish line didn't happen to smell so strong. So that is a good thing as well. So now while we're waiting for the base coat to dry, I thought I would test out the one coat black on a clear apres nail that I have here. And I wanted to show that this brush had some rogue bristle on it, which was kind of annoying, but it did not affect the polishing at all. And as you can see, this is definitely a one coater. You cannot see through this at all. If it wasn't a one coat, we'd definitely be able to see through this nail. It is a completely transparent nail. I didn't do any magic here. You saw me polish it on. This is good stuff, guys. But I did have to remove that rogue bristle. It just happened to be a loose bristle that pulled right out. It did not ruin my day. We went on with polishing and life went on as well. This is definitely a polish that likes to be floated on, and it does not like to be played with too much, hence the one coat. So literally do one coat and don't go over it again, or else you'll start pulling the color off the nail, which I did do a couple times, but that is user error and not a polish problem, more like a polishing problem by me. It did happen to me on the thumb when I started doing the right corner, and therefore I did come in with a second coat of this. But we all know the rules with polishing nails. Even though something says it's one coat, you just always have to come in with a second coat. It is the rule. It's just, I mean, have you ever been able to leave it? I can't. You just can't. So we come in with the second coat, always. This polish does level out quite nicely, and it has a beautiful shine even without the top coat. And now we're coming in with this gorgeous Midnight Spark, and this just goes on so gorgeous. I wasn't sure what to expect, but Christine does say it is a one coater as well. I do believe I did put this one on a little bit thin, so I am gonna have to do a second coat for sure. I also wanted to test how they did with nail art, so I just came in with my striping brush and I just did a little stripe on the pinky. And then now on the index, I did a much better job at polishing this finger with this polish, and I will not be putting another coat down here. This is definitely a one coater. Now I'm just going to put the second coat down on the ring finger. This polish is so beautiful. The amount of holo that is jam-packed in this jelly purple polish is just so unbelievable. Now I'm just doing a little cuff at the cuticle on my middle finger. For art, it goes on great too. It dries a little quick, but you just got to work fast. That's all. You just got to adjust, right? The fact, though, that is just so jam-packed with glitter in a jellied color base makes it great for nail art, because it just, the opacity, is that a word? The opacity of it? Yeah, I think it is. It shows up really well because of how opaque it is. And now we're coming in with Glossy Taco. So exciting. I didn't know if this was a fast dry top coat or taco. And it definitely is a fast dry. I think it might even dry faster than Set Feet, which totally surprised me. You got to work fast. You got to float this one over as well. But you can see there how it pulled off. It was already starting to dry. So now we're coming in on the middle finger, and look at this, is so glossy. I don't even know how she's gonna do a super glossy. I'm excited to see that. Yeah, this was just, you can see it. I don't have anything else to say. So far, this polish really has been a dream, guys. Go out and get yourself some. I know some of it is sold out. I think she's getting on it. She's going to be restocking soon. So keep checking and support her. She's Christine, if you don't know who I'm talking about. Simply Nailogical. I'm so happy for her. This is so awesome. I can't wait for her to come out with more. Please come out with gel. Please, please, please. I know you don't do gel, but please come out with gel. And thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and bye for now.